The water is nice and cool. It's definitely not warm by any means, but it's definitely not freezing. So you'll be able to swim for a while. The area isn't too huge, but there is a small cave off to the left that you can swim to. You can even get up underneath the waterfall and hang out, which is very intense. There's nothing like tons of water just hurling down on top of you while you're standing underneath this thing. $10 to hang out here is not bad at all. Absolutely worth checking out. Now, as I said, it's a 2-tier waterfall, so if you take the opposite path when you arrive to the waterfall, you'll go up top onto a platform where you can see the bigger side of the waterfall, which is just mind-blowingly big and absolutely beautiful.
Continue on the path. I don't know if you can hear me very well, but we're going to take the final path overlooking the waterfall and take a good look. And then I'm going to jog back, and Bull is going to take the $10 ride back. We call that the wussy wagon.
Don't fund me, okay? You want to help your boy out, I'm going to drop my link.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, my God. Whoa.
That's how we got this.
My God.
So that's where we just were. That's the fall. That is the top of Nauyaca.
This is more of just a viewing area. Yes, you can go down there, but there's not anywhere to swim or really hang out. And I don't really recommend climbing the rocks because they're very slick.
Oh, what happened? I fell on my hand. Oh no!
Now, I'm not 100% sure how, but there's actually people on top of the waterfall. I don't know how they got there, and if you guys know, please comment below. One of these days I'm going to figure out how, because I'll definitely be coming back here. But as for the day trip to Nauyaca, this is basically it right here, and it's definitely worth it.
Bull's just taking it easy. Riding in a f***ing car. I'm saving that $10.